This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the LED type and the controller requirements, because mismatched voltage or pinouts ruins the hardware. Once done, mount the controller near the LED run, route the shortest possible power and data wires, and strip 3/5 mm of insulation. Make sure to join ground first. This prevents floating references, then connect +V and data. Use screw terminals or solder for a solid joint. Crimp connectors are fine for quick tests. You now have the system physically ready for network hookup. You next configure the controller on your network so the LED responds to commands. Choose Ethernet for reliability or Wi-Fi for placement flexibility. Once connected, access the controller web UI or app and set the LED count, color order, and PWM frequency. These values determine color accuracy and flicker. Then map the controller to an IP address, either static or via your DHCP reservation, so you can target it reliably. After saving settings, run a short test pattern to confirm packets reach the LEDs. You finish by tidying and safeguarding the installation. Fasten wires, install an inline fuse sized to expected current, and place the controller where it stays cool and dry. Once powered, validate full-range colors and long-run stability. If strips flicker or colors shift, check ground continuity first, then inspect the data connection and measure voltage at the strip end. Voltage drop is a common culprit. If problems persist, try a loopback or alternate controller. Update firmware and reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.